Sorry about that. It looks like my camera cut off for some reason. I probably hit it. It's supposed to be a fish market, a wet market somewhere, and I do smell fish. I think we may be close to it. I don't know where it is. Some Vietnam. A little bit of everything in here, except what I'm looking for. That's funny. All right, this is strange. It was mostly women's clothes here and some children's. Men's section must be some other place. I don't know where it is. Oh, I think there's some more. I don't know what's going on down here. We're gonna go down. Looks like there's a food market or. Well, the fish smell is getting stronger. So I do believe we're closing in. Oh wow, look at all the market stuff, Leslie. This is like a giant supermarket. Man. Let's keep going. Okay, we're just gonna continue following the fish smell. The smell is getting stronger. Oh man, I wish I knew what we were buying. I wouldn't even know how to buy any of this stuff, guys. Sometimes you just gotta buy it and try it. And we got some fresh chicken going on there. Oh, we're in the meat section now. Awesome. Yeah, we've hit the meat section. The chicken feet.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, good. How are you? Very well, very well. Thank you. So far, we found everyone to be very friendly here. Some people speak English. Okay, we're in the fish section. Oh boy, look at the squid. Fish. That's some good looking fish. Let's check out this squid over here. All right, Leslie, be careful. The floor is soaking wet here. We are in the wet market section. We got some squid. Oh man. Good morning. Good morning. Big fish. We got big fish. Yeah, there's a tiny fish. Let's go up through here. We got shells. How are you?
Have a good day.
Thank you. Okay, well, okay. I think you guys know what this is. We got some stingray here. Oh, that's a good-looking fish there. Look at that. I would eat that. That's 12 Singapore dollars for one, which is about 10 bucks US. So that's a little expensive, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going. We're all going. This is a crowded section. This fish is fish heaven in here. And the floor is soaked, so we got to walking very carefully. So there's a lot of dried fish over here. Which is what I had. Oh, here it is. This is what I had on my nasi lemak the other day, that dried fish right there. It was fishy when you ate it by itself, but when you mixed it in with the other food, it was quite good. Oh, we're still in the fish area. Let's take a look. Oh boy. Man, everybody's here buying fish today. Yeah. It's definitely fishy here. 7 for a kilogram. How many pounds is 1 kilogram? Any idea? Oh, look at the crab, looks good. I love crab. Yummy. All right, we're going to we'll cut up through this one and you want to go out? All right, let's just go out then. I think we've seen all the fish we need to see today. All right, guys, we're going to get out of here. So yeah, we found our noses, found the fish section. It's quite interesting here. And this is where the locals are. Everyone's buying up their fish. And probably some restaurants are in here too, most likely. So we're gonna make our way out and get out of these people's way so they can go about their business instead of looking at the stupid foreigner talking to a stick. But I might be used to that, I don't know. Cool, that was pretty awesome. Of course, we came out in a different direction. I don't even know where we are. We'll figure it out. Oh yeah, we came in up there, I think.